And we are back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape. I want you to check out this beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod. That's right, some of the best grass your money can buy. And what I did is I got rid of the customer's existing Bermuda. I created the proper pitch and grade on this landscape so that that water falls off the landscape. But then I acquiesced it with this beautiful decorative gravel in order to be able to accommodate this existing paver patio that we put in a couple of years ago. Also put in this beautiful design within the swing set that came in just within this design that we did today, but it also allowed for this customer to be able to utilize the entirety of the landscape on the second phase of this outdoor landscape transformation. The beautiful Zeon Zoysia Sod is going to ensure that they're going to be able to take on a tremendous amount of foot traffic. They're going to be able to have an area on the landscape that's resistant to any shade, and it's also going to be extremely drought tolerant. So these are just some of the ways that we come up with outdoor landscape transformations, and it's the reason we become so effective, because after having finished phase one on the landscape, after having given a customer more than that of what they would have ever expected initially, we come back out again when they give us a call several years later, and we provide this beautiful landscape design that you see here. But that's just the way that we do business. All of our business mostly is from repeat business, and there's a tremendous amount of people that can say something good about us. And you can even see within the first design that we came up with, it just gave this customer so much more than that of what they were expecting. So this is all being brought to you exclusively by the professionals right here at Brooks Landscaping, and we're right here in the Bentwater 7 Hills area. So if you live in Paulding County, Bentwater 7 Hills, anywhere in particular in the surrounding areas, make sure that you give us a call. We'll be glad to come out, give you a free consultation, help you understand how to take back your landscape, put the proper grade in place, and make sure that that water goes away. And that's exactly what we've done for this landscape, and that's what we do each and every time, only at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could.